Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. I am Snehal Mahajan, your inside out specialist, and today I am going to share 4 secrets on how to be successful at work. I know everyone want to be successful in their career. Once you have graduated from college and landed a job, your next immediate concern is how to get succeed in your career. Because nowadays the world has become so competitive, and doing your job well or moving forward with your career is more important now than ever. Many professionals set list of goals for their career advancement, for their recognitions, but what sets an exceptional professionals apart? Do you know the answer? The answer is very simple. It is just willingness and the strong desire to perform well. Once you have the willingness and right mindset, you can begin climbing the ladder. So here are 4 career success secrets on how to excel at work. Secret number 1. Take initiative. Today's career requirements are highly developed and require much more than someone who won't take risks. In today's competitive career landscape, the employers are searching for such individuals who can bring new, fresh ideas to the table and take initiative, who can start new projects, who can pitch new solutions and create opportunities for the business. So, take initiative always at your workplace, research and bang on. Secret number 2. Be your own evaluator. The best way to achieve career success is to keep assessing your performance. Don't wait for your annual appraisal. Do it yourself, and the ideal way to do it is to identify quantifiable goals and set time limits for those goals to achieve. If you are new to job, then start setting short-term goals and create a detailed plan to achieve it. Also, you can break the task down into weekly or even daily tasks and fill a small form at the end of the week to assess where you are headed. Or do you need to change your strategy? Even you can show this performance report to your manager at some point to show them how you have progressed. This will help them to understand that yes, you understand the importance of self-evaluation and improvement. Secret number 3. Be ready to learn. If you want to excel in your career, you have to learn, willing to learn new things and accept constructive feedback. No matter from where you had graduated, from which university you had graduated, or from how much grade you had, your professional life will be very much different from your college life. Be prepared to have millions of questions popping up every day in your mind regarding what you are doing. It might take days for you to hang out your duties when you are new to your job. So show management that you are coachable, paying attention and always ready to learn new things. Secret number 4. Last but not least. Communicate well. Communication is a key to employees and an organization's success. If your manager has to ask for a status report, you could not do everything that you could do. The idea is to proactively communicate that when you are going to finish that task and move on to the next task when it is needed. So, by knowing By keeping these 4 career success secrets in your mind, you can put yourself to the true path and you can achieve your ultimate goals. I'm sure many of you must have some secrets for success in your career. Do share those secrets in the comment box below so that others can read it and get inspired from your secrets. As I always say, everything starts with you, so just do it. Now it's time to end this video, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe it. Also share it with your friends and family. And now it's time to say goodbye. See you in next video. Till that time, take care. Namaste.